Hey, 𝐻𝐿𝐿 here. Today I'm doing an unboxing for the Movo microphone, the 𝐂𝐨𝐥𝐝 iPad holder, the protective tablet case for my iPad, and last but not least, Small Rig's the Small Rig iPad holder, tripod, any kind of tripod that has the screw-on feature like this. So why am I getting all this new gear? My goal is to be able to have better production value with my iPad. I've been doing my videos the last several weeks with my iPad inside of the fixed Nosar case, and it's been very clumsy and honestly just difficult to maneuver, difficult to set up. So an iPad's a pretty big device to be taking videos with, but it takes excellent quality videos and photographs. I want to maximize that. First, I'm going to start off with the protective tablet case by ESR. By the way, all the products that I'm opening today, all the links can be found in the description below. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the 𝐂𝐨 precision tools to extract my iPad from the case. So here we go. Really nice case here. I like the hexagons. The precision tools, which I will be using to pop out my iPad without scratching the iPad. Woo. I'm going to try this tool. So one of the drawbacks of getting this case is I have not been able to get my iPad out of this in over a year. I'm going to try this tool now. Now I gotta make sure I don't break the case. Let's try these two. Here we go. Finally, I got the iPad out with this tool. Okay. But I did kind of ruin the side of the case here. Now this is under a lifetime warranty, so I can get a new case. So I have had this iPad Air ensconced in this fixed Nosar keyboard and cover case for a year and a half. It's protected my iPad. I love it, but it's a pain to get the iPad out of it. I'm going to clean up the iPad with alcohol, and then I'm going to slip it inside of this protective tablet case. So here is the said protective iPad case. And now I'm going to go ahead and just wipe my iPad down with this alcohol and paper towel. Next, I will go ahead and place the iPad inside of this clear plastic protective case. And voila, look at that. That looks really nice. And I also have a clear a screen protector on as well. The iPad is fully protected. If it gets dropped by accident, it won't get scratched up because it's fully protected now, which is exciting. Ooh, I will say it's a little bit challenging getting to the buttons on here. These are little tools to help you fix your computer too. That doodad. That's interesting. Onward to unboxing the Small Rig iPad holder. Behold the iPad holder. So that will just screw on here. Oh, the other reason I got this one in particular was because it has two cold shoes, so I can hold both a microphone and a light. Now I don't have a light, but I do have a microphone today. I also purchased a handhold, which I will tack on to the end of this video. But for now, I will be using my tripod, which is a company called 𝐢𝐵_Size. And I got this for $10 at a used gear sale in Bishop, California last year. Quite a good score. Now I will go ahead and do the adjustment here. So I unscrew this, and then this slides out. And then I tighten that. Next, we have the Movo VXR10 microphone. I'm really excited. So let's unbox the Movo microphone. I'm really super excited about this. The lovely case that will house the microphone. Ooh. I love new things. I love the smell of new things. Actually has no scent. Okay, so this is called a dead cat or microphone muff or windscreen is another name. Next, we have these doodads. Let's see what these doodads are. So we have this jack, and these are the holders. So there are two microphone holders, I guess. Yeah, they look identical. So I guess if you lose one, you have the other. Or if you get two microphones, you can have two holders. So that's pretty exciting. And they are cold shoe holders. These will slip in, and I'll show you in a minute. And then here we have another set of jacks. Oh, I need this one. Nice little carrying pouch. It feels like leather. It's probably pleather, but it doesn't smell like leather. It feels really nice though. And here is my beloved iPad. I actually did have to modify it. So I got a razor blade and I cut out this area here. I didn't do a very neat job, unfortunately. Gotta be really careful. But I needed to be able to get to the controls, you know? I'm a little bummed about that. And I'll probably glue this loose piece or something. Marcy will help me with that. I also cut a hole here so that I could get to my microphone. Hello, you know. So I need one of these. So that just slips into the cold shoe. That's what that's called. And then I have to tighten it so it doesn't fall out. And then the microphone just slips into this. Ooh. There we go. Ooh. Take two. Okay, now it's on. There it is. Ooh, shake, shake, shake. And voila. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and share my sound tests with you using the Movo microphone. Yeah. I am testing the Movo mic 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. And now I am removing the mic. Here is the sound without the mic. Testing 1, 2, 3. Test, test, test. What are my thoughts so far about these products? It was still a bit fiddlier than I would have liked to remove the iPad from the 𝐓𝐫𝐢𝐻 case and keyboard, but I think for the products, I think that the tools are really great. They seem really sturdy. The microphone, I think, is pretty impressive. I'm really excited to get out into the wind with it and test it out. And I will be doing plenty of adventure videos where there'll be plenty of desert wind here in California. So that will definitely be testing the mic's superpowers in the wind. The case, I wished it had fit better, but with a razor blade, I was able to modify it. I would give it 4 out of 5. Maybe, yeah, 4 out of 5 stars for that. The microphone, I would give it, well, I can't really rate it till I get out into the wind, but so far it's 5 out of 5 stars. I'm loving this. This is really sturdy, the iPad holder that screws into any type of tripod. I'm absolutely loving that. It's easy to use. It feels really sturdy. So 5 out of 5 stars for that from me. So I am excited to go on some video adventures now. So that's my setup, folks. For my iPad, all that work to get my iPad to become my new vlogging kit. So we'll see how it goes in the coming weeks and months as I do videos here on my channel. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and give me a comment below your thoughts about any of these products. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And if you like what you've seen and heard, go ahead and hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons. Ding the bell so you'll be the first to hear when I release my next vlogging adventure video. Woohoo! So consider joining our community, our Ko-fi community, link in the description, and I will see you in the next video. How do you like my virtual lipstick? You know what? I'm going to take that off. It looks silly. It looks like I got lipstick on my teeth. No lip color, thanks. Okay, that's better. Oh, we're still recording.